Hello, dear students. Today we will learn some new phrasal verbs. So let's get started today's lesson. So we have the first one, a bit of roses. इसका मतलब है फूलों की सेज या स्टेज या बेड. Life is not a bed of roses. The second one is a bird's eye view. इसका मतलब है सरसरी जायज़ा. We got a bird's eye view of the city from the helicopter. Third one, a black sheep. A black sheep का मतलब है बदकिरदार. There are many black sheep in our society. The fourth one, we have a black sheep. The third one, a black sheep छुपा रुस्तम. A black sheep can contaminate the whole lot. Fourth number है a black sheep curly beard. सरफराज is a black sheep of our family. Fifth number है a bone of contention. फसाद की जड़. इसका मतलब है फसाद की जड़. Money is a bone of contention between them. दोस्तों ये था हमारा आज का लेसन. नेक्स्ट वीडियो के लिए अपना ख्याल रखिए. खुदा हाफिज़.